Evaluate the determinant of A if A is the matrix where the row is 3, 2, negative 1, 6, 2, negative 6, and 0, 8, negative 3. So to evaluate the determinant, we start with the 3. So we have 3, and now we essentially cross out the row and column where 3 is, leaving us this 2 by 2 matrix. And now what we do is we multiply 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. And we subtract from that, multiplying 8 times negative 6, which is negative 48. Then we move to the second row, and we write down, again, this time it's a minus that's in front of this because, once again, we alternate the signs, and we have plus and then minus. So the 6, we cross out column 1 and row 2. That leaves us a 2 by 2 matrix of 2, minus 1, 8, and negative 3. So now we multiply 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. And we subtract from that 8 times negative 1, which is negative 8. We now go to the third row, column 1, and there's a 0. Now, technically, we add 0 times, well, we cross out column 1 and row 3. It leaves us with the 2 by 2 matrix of 2, negative 1, 2, negative 6. However, we're going to be multiplying that by 0, and therefore we don't really need to evaluate this. But let's at least show that what it would be is 2 times negative 6, which is negative 12, minus 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. So now this would be equal to 3 times. Well, subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So we have negative 6 plus 48. That equals 42. Then minus 6 times. Again, subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive, so we have negative 6 plus 8, and that's 2. As we said, 0 times this expression will be 0, and so right now all we have to do is evaluate this expression. 3 times 42 gives us 126, minus 6 times 2, which is minus 12. When we subtract 12 from 126, we have 114. And so the determinant of A equals 114.